Hi everyone! I have to do some filming tonight, so I thought I would throw together a quick face. But I decided to get on camera to do it because I'm testing out a new concealer. This is by Flower. This is the Light Illusion Full Coverage Concealer. It says that it is a weightless formula and it's crease proof. This is what it looks like. I have it in the shade Vanilla. So let's get this first impressions video started. I've done my brows off camera to save time. Now I'm ready to get into this concealer. I have to apologize, you guys. I still haven't figured out where in my apartment I'm gonna set up my makeup studio. So I'm at the moment just still filming here in my living room because it's got the big TV. All right, so here we go. We're gonna open this up. And this is what the package looks like. Now, again, this is a first impression, so I have no idea what the formula is like, what the color is like. I actually have never even reviewed Flower Beauty, so this is a true first impressions for not only the product but for the brand as well. All right, this is the applicator. It's got a doe foot. It's got a good doe foot, actually. Yeah, that's a really good angle on there. So let's go in. Ooh, creamy. It's super duper creamy, I will say that. And it looks like it dries down quickly. Whoa. I better start blending this out or we're gonna be stuck with it. I did just wash my hands. It is very light, which is perfect for under the eye. I clearly could not use this for covering any imperfections because it's way too light, but for a highlight, it's perfect. Using it as an eye base as well. All right, let me get it all spread around, then I'm going to let it set and see if I can build it up. Blended down the first layer. Now this does say that it is a full coverage concealer. I don't think so. This is definitely a light to medium coverage. I'm definitely gonna go in for a second layer. Here, let me get up close so you can see. It hasn't covered a lot, but it definitely has lightened up those areas. So I'm gonna go in for a second layer and see how it builds. This time before I blend it in, and you guys know that I love using my hands for that, I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes just to dry down a little bit before I start blending it, and hoping that will add to the coverage. It doesn't dry completely down. You do have time to play with it. When I was doing it, I was like, oh no, it's drying quickly. But I did have plenty of time to go ahead and blend it out. So I'm gonna let this sit for about 30 seconds to a minute before I start blending it, just to help with the full coverage aspect. So, all right, be back. Yes, yes. That second coat, that's the key. That's gonna get you the full coverage for sure. I spread it out. Now, because it is too light, I definitely will have to put on some foundation just to bring down the lightness, but the coverage is looking good. Now I'm gonna finish my face and finish you guys up with my final impressions. Makeup is done. And I will say that I am really enjoying the concealer. That flower concealer, A+ product. The entire time I was doing my makeup, not a single crease. So it definitely is crease proof. I am highly recommending the Flower Light Illusion Concealer. It is really good. I don't see any of my under eye circles coming through. Again, nowhere is it creasing. And I actually didn't even have to put on liquid foundation. Once I put on my powder foundation, it brought the color down and made it even. And I am really thrilled with the results. So there you go, guys. Highly recommending the Flower Light Illusion Concealer. And until next time, you better believe it. Bye.